we're gonna redo the handlebar. I'm too hunched forward. Before we do that, we do have a little bit of an issue with this bar. Here we go, see that? So we got to bend it back. Yeah, it's getting better. See, you don't need any high-tech equipment. And it's always nice to have, but I'm gonna go get it more. Try this thing. Here we go. Oh, there, that move. Oh yeah, look at that. There we go. And we get it confirmed that it's good. Like that. It's good enough. I mean, it was way off earlier. So this is what I wanted. And then with my bag in the bag, it'd be just perfect. Oh, it's good. There's nowhere they fall. It's a lot easier to look for them. I'm being lazy here. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Take a quick look at the difference. Big difference. Even the rate. Watch the terrace on the next go wiring. Alright, I'm good. Ooh, yeah, baby. Dude, so if it's too high, I can cut it. Just tighten this thing up. I love my music. Alright, here we go. Now let's do a quick. Oh man. Oh my. Yeah, man. Let's install this thing. I don't think you want to see that, but maybe I'll put it on fast forward. I'll do this real quick for you guys. Yeah, man, all done. All right, until the next trip, check out this new handlebar. It's nice. Special thanks to Will for hooking me up with that handlebar. Will, thank you. Till the next time, I'm out. Woo, I'm jamming. This is what I do all day, every day.